This is Governor Larry Hogan and Ronald Reagan. I'm a black Republican, a black radical Republican. And I was making a documentary about being a black Republican. Governor Hogan took me off the ballot in 2014. We talking about voter suppression by the Republican and the Democratic Party. Go to the Maryland Board of Elections, get my paperwork. All right? We're going to follow the money. This is our black families, you feel me? Our black families and our black community. That's President Trump. So if Trump can go to the Supreme Court, so can I. We talk about voter suppression by the Republican Party. That's Governor Larry Hogan. See the date? February the 2nd, 2011 at 8:53 a.m. All right? That's Maryland codes. Any person that makes or causes a statement, you feel me? That's false imprisonment by the state of Maryland. All right? And that's Scott Shellenberger. That's Sheila Dixon. She participated in this. So did Ivan Bates. Like I said, that's President Trump. And that's the Secret Service, because y'all sent the Secret Service after me a couple years ago. More than once. So that's the Secret Service. That's President Trump. And that's Pam Woods from the Baltimore Sun. The Baltimore Banner. You feel me? Don't have to like each other. Hogan and Trump is the same thing. Hogan and Trump are the same thing. So I'm going to show you something. At the big show. The big show. See that? That's Commissioner Harris. So if you go to the big show, it's called Keeping the Dream Alive. You feel me? It's called Keeping the Dream Alive. That's David Irwin from 2007. Feel me? My Storm Falls Road. That's the case number. So contact David Irwin. Keeping the dream alive. That's what we're doing. Keeping the dream alive. That's me. I mailed it to myself. A shorty documentary. That's Mayor Pugh. All right. That's Robert Hardin from the Department of Justice. That's Governor O'Malley. See the date? 2013. That's Head States Attorney Marilyn Mosby. Shorty documentary. You feel me? Shorty documentary. That's Rachel from Judge Cox's The Grand Jury. That's 2017. That's Judge Bennett, 2018. That's Chief Judge Turnbull, retired, 2007. That's Greg Bernstein, 2013. That's States Attorney Nearham, Lake County, Illinois. That's Mayor Stephanie Rawlins Blake. That's Scott Shellenberger. See that? Scott Shellenberger had this. 2013. That's Chief of Police Johnson. 2013. That's Judge Cox. All right, Baltimore County. And that's Governor Larry Hogan. That's Governor Larry Hogan. See the date? January 2007. I went home on vacation and came back on probation because I applied for Martin Luther King's job. Governor Hogan participated in my illegal incarceration because he didn't open his mouth about it. I'm not McGrath. All right? So if you go to the big show, we're going to show it all. It's going to be show and tell. All right? Because the law says right here, any person may not make or cause or made a statement, report, or complaint a person that knows is false in or whole and part of the material to a law enforcement officer in the state, county, or municipality corporation. Scott Shellenberger knowingly lied to the public and called me a terrorist. I'm not a terrorist, I'm an activist. Activism isn't against the law. It's the good kind of trouble. So it's a get out of jail free card. All right? Do not pass go. Ivan Bates has been using his office to protect Scott Shellenberger, and I got it all on tape. I got it all on film. Donald Trump got that information too. So does the Secret Service. We're going to go to the post office, a postal inspector. We're going to pull up all the mail. President Trump, President Biden, President Obama, President Bush, and Governor Larry Hogan. You ain't got to like each other, but y'all still on the same team. And we're going to talk about it.